Welcome to Jackshid. Last video I taught all of you how to make SPDR out of Lego, but I wouldn't call it complete until we have Peni Parker, and that is what we're going to do in our video today. Thanks again for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you like this video. If you have any comments or any ideas, feel free to reach out to me. Please also let me know in the comments section what you would like to see in my future videos. Let's start. For Penny's legs and skirt, I decided to use Scarlet Witch from the Hulkbuster Smash set back in 2015. For her school uniform, I'll be using a 2011 collectible minifigure Series 5 Graduate's torso. This is probably the only torso with a black sweater and tie, and pairing it up with Dorothy's arm from another collectible minifigure series in 2019. These are the pieces needed for her backpack, and this. As for her face, I'll be using Bo Peep's face to match hers. She comes with a few of the Toy Story 4 sets back in 2019. As for her hair, I'll be using Cora from Tron back in 2018. This hairpiece is pretty common, and it comes with a few other sets. So here it is. This is the final product, and it does look very good with the SPDR that I built last time. I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and again, I'm really running out of ideas, so please help me out. Put your ideas in the comment and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you very much. Also, if you want to know more details about the SPDR that I built last time and you want to know how to build it, feel free to check out my channel. And yes, Penny does fit inside.